Hey everybody, so I am in the 99-cent store and the first thing I see are these Boogie Boards. They're $3.99. I like that one with the dog picture on it. And last time I was here I showed you guys the flip-flops. I see these. Those are kind of cute with the little pom-pom thing on it. But today I see some cute kid bathing suits for $2.99. Look at this one with the anchor on it. And they have the little ruffles at the top. Lots of hats. Ooh, look at this little Minnie Mouse bag. That is adorable. How much are these? $3.99. I see that one. What is this one? Oh my god, all those fell. I see this one. Is that the Shopkins? Yeah, Shopkins. Oh lord, JoJo Siwa. And I think that's it, but I really like that Minnie Mouse one. And the back of them are clear, as you can see as I'm picking them up. They're clear and they do come with little sunglasses. So that's not bad for $4. My daughter wouldn't carry it or else I'd get her one. I think the last time I was here, they had these vacay mode bags and those are $2.99, and then they have the striped ones right there. I think I showed you guys that, and the blue and white ones back there. Okay, we saw all of this, the little flamingos and the pillows, summer beach, the little cactus. All this stuff tempts me to just like throw a party for no reason. These are cute. 99-cent LED icon lights. Okay, I still think these are really pretty for 99-cent. They have the white ones. I think the last time I only saw gold, so they have white and they do have silver. Look at him. He's so cute. Some stepping stones. I didn't see these. Bless our home. Welcome to my garden. That one has a cute little rabbit on it. Look at these. Oh, yoga frogs in different poses. Look at him. And he's standing there. Look at this. They have packs of Fila socks for $2.99. And what do you get? You get 3 pairs. Here's some new bags. This giant tote bag is $4.99 and it says by Sorbeto Accessory. It's kind of big. Looks like that. And then I see this pattern. Really pretty. The bottom is pink. And here's one that is black and white and cream and white stripes. I like this one though. And here's some Active Pro slides. This part feels like plastic, but I see black. I see a purple pair, and these are $3.99. They have a bunch of these Face One beauty sponges, Pro Beauty Sponge in all different colors. Oh, this is a pretty brush. They usually bring the Face One cosmetics brushes here. This one is a contour brush. This is my first time ever seeing that color. Look at it. It's pink on the tip and then blue, and then the bristles are blue at the top. They still have the unicorn ones. And then here's this one. It's kind of clear at the bottom and then like purple or burgundy at the top. Let me see. Here's another one that looks like that. These are pretty. So both of these say contour on them. Let me see if there's any other brush. Oh yeah, there's an eyeshadow brush. And way back there's a lip brush. And that is all I see of that style. They still have these lash vaults for $1.99. Over here you have by Newport. They have reusable hot and cold orange iPads. They also come in cucumber. It says freeze or microwave. Helps combat puffiness. What is this? A massage roller. Helps cool down and reduces puffiness. Here's a facial roller. Helps rejuvenate skin. It comes with those 3 different parts. Neck and face massager. That's different. And then they have these scalp massagers. And all of these are 99¢. Oh, they keep bringing back these, and I think I have enough, but I love these. These are the storage organizers for $2.99. They're really big. And yeah, I have mine stacked on top of each other at home. Oh, what are these? That looks like a labyrinth. Like you could put a marble in there and kind of move it around. I know that's not what it is, but that's what it looks like. It says table tray for $4.99. That's really nice. Okay, I'll consider that one. And then I see that. And this one. And then right below it, there is some nice skillets. Ceramic non-stick fry pan, 11-inch, and they have like the sparkles on them. I kind of like that. These are $4.99. They have different sizes, but I really like this one right here. I like that color. I showed you guys these before, the ramekin set, oven and microwave safe for $1.99. Those are some really pretty little bowls. I'll just see a few new cups. Different colors and patterns. Oh, okay, so they have the wine and coffee wall storage. I think the last time I saw them they were plain. Now I'm seeing them with the flowers on them. Those are kind of cute. And these are $5. I like the floral on those. I think I like that one the most. And then the kitchen chalkboard wall clock for $4.99. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at these vases. I like those. I was just looking at them like, you know, those mirror, square mirrors or the round mirrors that you can get at Dollar Tree. That would be pretty if you put one on here, kind of glued it, and then use this as like a candle stand or something like that. I just like these colors. Here's some giant Marilyn Monroe pictures. These are $7.99. I think there's a different one back there. I see a pink background. Oh, okay. So the pink background, she's wearing red, pink lips. And on the black background, she has red lips. Okay, over in this area, I see some different slides like the other ones we just saw. But these are more metallic. Are they the same price? $3.99. So I see the turquoise metallic, those. These are kind of cute. They have like little gold dots on them. Then they have the fur kind. And there's even pink metallic and some black fur slides. Okay, what is this? A dish rack and drainer. Oh, I like that. 2-in-1, and it's collapsible. Okay, so you can put that in the sink, let it drain, and then when you're done and the dishes have dried, you can collapse it and put it in a drawer or put it in under the sink or somewhere. That's pretty cool. $3.99. I do have one of these. I absolutely love it. Mine doesn't have the handles on it, but I got it from here and it's a collapsible. This is a colander. Mine was a collapsible cutting board and I love it. If you see one of those in the 99-cent store, make sure you get one. Oh, these are nice. $1.99. BPA free. It comes with a handle. These are $1.99. Not bad at all. And they have it in rectangle. Look at their dog toys. This one is... Oh, I think somebody knocked over those frying pans. Here's a dog toy with a squeaker. $1.99. I think that's supposed to be a s'more. Bees. Look at this one, a little camper. That is funny and cute. What is this one? Like a little lunch bag or something, or a backpack. Then you have a mustache. Okay, and then I see these. That's funny. Okay, I don't need any more tumblers. These are $4.99, but this one just drawed my eyes to it because it has the elephants and they are colorful. I like that. $4.99, but I think I already have like 3 of these from here. but I like the elephants. Most of the time I bypass the toy section, but today I see a few new things that is kind of cool. So this is a kids play tent, and it collapses. It's 4.4 feet by 3, and it's $7.99. I think that's really cute. What is this? Pop socket, a Frozen set, Anna, Olaf, and Elsa for $4.99. Up there I see some Slime Around scented slime glue and magic activator set. Let's see. So this one is purple, $1.99. Oh, it smells like grape popsicle. So I guess there's different flavors. Let's see. This one is cotton candy. Let's see, blueberry cupcake. And I think that's all I can see. It's too high up. Okay, I'm not sure what these are. Mama and baby gummy squish toys. It says catch it, bounce it, squeeze it. So you get 2 little squishy toys in there. I see that one. I see this that looks like a little hedgehog or a hedgehog. Did I call it a hedgehog? A hedgehog. That's funny. And then I also see this one too. They also have a bunch of little like squeezy toys. Kind of like the ones you can get at Walmart or Target. These are $1.99. They're like plushies, but they're squishy. See a few different ones. And then they also have these as well with the little beads inside, like Orbeez. You can get the Orbeez. These are $1.99. Bubbly squeeze. This is a unicorn. Oh Lord, there's a llama. And then here's some other ones. These are called Squeezy Fruit Bubble Balls. That is super cute though. It looks like a strawberry with the little Orbeez in it, or the orbs. I like those. Oh, this one is cute too. It's pink and blue. So they have a few. And then what is this? Slime Surprise DIY Mixing Kit. So kind of like the other one we just saw, but this just looks like it's smaller. There's surprise color and scent in each bag. So you have these. A Get Organized Kit. It comes with 2 notebooks and a pen. I see this one. There's different ones. They come with different stuff inside of them. That one, this just popped off the side. Lord, I don't even know where it came from. They have a few new notebooks that have the water inside of them. I have one of these. I think this one is cute though, with the pizza and the water in it. This one with the rainbow. And then you got some sharks. That one is really moving around. I like that. What else did I just see? These are furry. And you have a unicorn, and this one I think it says squad. Oh, I like the packaging on this. It's by Elite Pro Beauty, My Bubble Bomb, Fun Fizzies, Bath Bomb Bliss. This one is bubblegum scented. Well, I think they're all bubblegum scented. Let's see. Yeah, they look like they're all bubblegum scented. They just have different pictures on them. But these are really cute. Okay, I remember finding these brush buddies at the Dollar Tree, and I only seen one. I think I found this one, and they have them here. So the boys come with a little car, and then I see the ones for the girls that come with a cute little doll. That's adorable. Look at that. Let me see. Oh, there's another one too with a purple dress on and purple hair. Here's a microwave collapsible cover. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. That way your food doesn't pop all over the place for $1.99. I love that everything is collapsible because it's easy to store like that. Oh, these look good. Hostess Bakery Petites. Strawberries and cream. And Lord knows I don't need these. Is there a different one back there? No, they're all the same. Okay, I am over by the cereal now. This is the last row before I get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Okay, bye.